So I'm going to show you how to use this arbitrage calculator. Once we've gotten the API, so you can actually subscribe from right here, but we can also easily get it using a disposable email. The only thing is, we'll have to do this for every single request. So here's the key now. I'm showing it because it'll be replaced by the next request anyway, so there's really no point in hiding it here, because it's only good for one request, just to show you. So I'll put this in here and save it. And here I'll click on All Sports. And let's say I pull this up to 1%. Here I'll select to look at all markets. I'll select not to look at live events. And I'll click this, and it starts working right away, as you can see. This is how it all looks. It even has a nice dark mode. And it'll show the results soon, and there they are. It found 3,157 arbitrage opportunities. Here are the bookmakers, and you can filter here too, so you can choose which bookmaker you want. This way you can deselect the others so they're not included. As you can see, it can work with 3 bookmakers at once. And I'll also show you a bet. Let's mark this. Say we select it to only look at this for me. Because we have money here, we have money topped up here too. Then let it look at Unibet too. Let's see what else it should look at. Yes, this is a good bookie too. We're just gonna quickly select a few bookmakers here, right now. That's good. And then it should only show the selected bookmakers. Here's another good arbitrage, 3%. Over 6.5, and you have to bet under for this match.